Hello students. Today we'll discuss about pattern in casting. The topic covers in manufacturing process fourth semester. First of all, we discuss about what is a pattern, the pattern making. A pattern is a model or the replica of the object to be cast. That is clear. Pattern is a replica of the object to be cast by the casting process. Except for the various allowances, a pattern exactly resembles the casting to be made. A pattern is required even if one object has to be cast. What are the functions of the patterns we can discuss here? A pattern prepares a mold cavity for the purpose of making a casting. A pattern may contain projection known as core prints if the casting requires a core and need to be made hollow. Patterns properly made and having finished and smooth surfaces reduce casting defects. The pattern properly constructed the minimize overall cost of the casting. The functions of the patterns, these are in the slide. And the basic figure or drawing of the pattern you can see in this slide, that is like that job, and it prepare for casting that type of pattern and insert in the mold box and generate a cavity for fill the molten metal inside the cavity, and the molten metal fill in cavity and then solidifies and finally prepare that type of casted product. Selection of pattern materials. The selection of pattern materials are the following factors assist in selecting proper pattern materials. Number of casting to be produced. The first factor is how many products we want to cast, and then second one dimensional accuracy and surface finish, and third one shape, complexity and size of the casting. Fourth is casting design parameters, and next one type of molding materials, the chance of repeat orders, and nature of molding processes. These are all factors uh, which is based on the pattern material. The pattern material should be some basic properties. These are as follows: that material easily worked, shaped, and joined. Light in weight, should be strong, hard, and durable. That should be resistant to wear and abrasion, resistance to corrosion and to chemical reactions. Also, dimensionally stable and affected by variations in temperature and humidity, and it should be available at low cost. These are the pattern material, are these factors followed by the material. Materials for making patterns like that wood, metal, plastic, plaster, wax. These pattern materials are depend on the particular production of the product. or the as per requirement. Some basic types of patterns here, like that single piece pattern, split pattern, loose piece pattern, match plate pattern, sieve pattern, gated pattern, skeleton pattern, hollow board pattern, cop and drag pattern. These are all name of the types of patterns there. That is depend on the particular casting process. We can see here 2D drawings of the types of patterns. The first one is split pattern. They have the two pieces as per this drawing, and a hollow board. That type of pattern mounted on the particular board, and a match plate pattern. That pattern like both side of the plates and the enduring casting will match together. And the luge pattern meaning disassemble in more than two parts of the particular pattern. And sweep pattern have the moving moving spindle, and that is skeleton pattern have. These are basic figures of the types of patterns here, and also here some figures types of patterns used in sand casting, and the solid pattern, split pattern, mesh plate pattern, and cope and drag patterns. Cope and drag pattern. Cope meaning upper portion of the pattern, and drag meaning lower portion of the pattern. That is single piece pattern. We can see clearly in 3D figure of the single piece pattern like that. Split piece pattern also you can see 3D figure in the slide, and that is multi-piece pattern meaning assembled by the different parts of the particular pattern. That type of pattern used in complex castings, complex shape castings. Loose piece pattern also use two or three pieces of the particular pattern. That here loose piece pattern figures you can see in the slide. That is match plate. Here is plate, and the both side of the plate have the required size of the casting, and that is known as cop pattern, and that is drag pattern, and that is center of the match plate. We can see here sweep pattern figure in this slide. Here is a spindle of the sweep pattern, the well rammed sand here, and that is sweep and completed mold repair this type of sweep pattern. Gated pattern meaning more than one gated here in this casting process, and these are same cavity generated both side of the pattern, and there is gated here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gated in this casting for the example. Also here 2D diagram of the gated system, that is center of the pouring of the molten metal, and the in four directions or four gated here for the pouring molten metal in this casting. In this slide there is a cope and drag type pattern. that is upper cop pattern on the upper side and drag pattern uh, lower side in the molding box. So these are basic types of pattern system and materials of the pattern and the basic selection factors of the patterns have studied in this lecture. Thank you.